Let's talk about before and after you apply fuel injector cleaner in your engine. What are you going to experience? What are you going to see? I'm going to use four metrics to explain to you what you are getting after you apply fuel injector cleaner. I mean before and after applying fuel injector cleaner. Let's go to number one. This is number one, fuel injecting pattern. You are going to have a beautiful fuel injecting pattern. That is what you are looking on the screen. Do you see before? The pattern was bad, but do you see now? Very, very good. That is the first thing you are getting when you use fuel injector cleaner. You are getting a very smooth injecting. Do you know that the injectors, it has no tips? Those tips has hole that is injecting fuel into the compressed air. Each manufacturer has a design on how this fuel should be injected. If the injector has four holes, if it is flush, it could be about two or three that are injecting. And that is a problem. That will cause problem for the engine because that will become an issue to the engine because the injector, the spraying pattern or the injecting pattern is not normal again. And as a result of that, the engine is going to have some issues. So injecting pattern will be so smooth when you have fuel injector cleaner in your engine because it's going to prevent clutch and the injector will be injecting very well. That is number one. What is number two? Exhaust smell. When you have when you don't use fuel injector cleaner, that is before you use fuel injector cleaner, you may have smell exhaust. Your exhaust may be smelling fuel because there's no proper combustion. The fuel is not totally burning. So because of that, if you check your exhaust, you perceive smell of exhaust. But do you see after you use it, what will happen? You are going to have a normal exhaust. The first one was too rich. The injector may just be pouring. But do you see the second image? That's to tell you how normal your exhaust will be. So have you been using for injector cleaner? If you have not been using this, then this video is for you. We have seen before and after. And what is number three thing you are getting? If you are using for injector cleaner, the number three thing is this. You fuel consumption is going to increase your fuel consumption. Look at before applying fuel injector cleaner, what do you see? A lot of fuel is burning. When you refill your tank, in no time the fuel has gone. But if you keep using fuel injector cleaner, what are you going to get? You will notice that you're going to have normal fuel consumption. It will save your fuel, it will save your pocket. So have you not been using fuel injector cleaner? Then give it a consideration. This video is before and after using fuel injector cleaner. And let me go to the last part. When it comes to the idle, the RPM will be stable. It's going to stable, not the fluctuating one you will be getting before you are not using fuel injector cleaner. Without fuel injector cleaner, you will notice that your idle will be up and down. But now that you started using fuel injector cleaner, you are going to have a stable RPM, especially during the idle. I know you want to hear a smooth idle for yourself. That is why you need to use fuel injector cleaner. In this video, you must have learned what you have seen before and after. What we're going to see when you start implementing or start using fuel injector cleaner, then give me thumbs up for this video, like and share. See you in another video. where I talk more about fuel injector cleaner. See you in that video.